I can't count how many times I've plugged in a hard drive or memory card and it just doesn't show up on Windows Explorer in the folder or on the disk management panel, or it shows up and it just completely glitches out. I have the solution for you.
And here we go.
Open Command Prompt or Windows Terminal, just make sure you do it as an administrator. In the console, enter diskpart and press enter. Next, you're going to want to see a list of the available disks that you can work with. So press list disk and then enter. If you don't see your disk here, that means you might need some type of recovery software at that point. So if you see the disk, then go on to the next step, which is selecting the right disk by typing select disk. In my case, it's 3. Yours can be something else. Just don't select your actual disk that your operating system is on or sensitive information is on, because then you'll kind of be fucked. Next, you'll want to remove all partitions and formatting by typing clean and then hit enter. Next, you'll want to create and format a new partition. You are going to want to type these next commands just one after another. Create partition primary, then hit enter. Format fs equals ntfs, then hit enter again. Assign, hit that enter button, exit, and hit that enter button one last time. And that should do it. File Explorer should pop up with your fresh new drive. You're welcome. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more of that juicy content. Take care.